Yes, it's Sonny's Automotive, and I'm documenting this. It is a Ford, believe it or not. Okay. Here is the aluminum block. We finally got the jugs in and the crankshaft. Today I'm going to install the transmission and put the intake and the plenum on. As you can see, it's all in pieces over here. The motor has to go in from underneath, so the transmission is going to go on next, and I'm going to keep y'all informed, take some photos, and maybe post them when the job is done. So you guys have a good one, and keep working that iron.